Okay. We are recording. All right, so now what I'm about to show you is how to build a Shopify store. So I'm just going to create a free trial. We're going to make up a business. Let's call it my dope business. No, hold on. And my dope business sound like a drug game. My hustle game. Boom. Create your store. So Shopify has a free trial, so you can create your website, and then you got 14 days to see if you like it or not. And you can upgrade and you can go live. You cannot go live until you pay them. All right, success. Your store is ready to go. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Are you already? Ooh. Sorry. All right. Are you? Okay. Choose that. Are you ready in a few weeks? How do you want to sell? Online only? What is your current revenue? $1 million business, baby. What industry will you be operating in? I'm going to say photography. Are you setting up a store for a client? No. Oh, I could have skipped that, but it's good to do that. My name, Morgan, CEO. California. 90210. To my store. So this is going to be fairly simple. I'm going to show y'all basically how to start the site, how to start Shopify, all of the apps that's good for you to put onto your website. And then we're going to build the website. Let's see, get ready to sell online, try these tips. I mean, honestly, Shopify is really straightforward. Like, they help you with everything. They got tutorials. But let's see. I think I have to send a verification. I'll do that later. All right, so what we're gonna do here is go to online store. And then here's when you're gonna pick a theme. We're gonna create a free theme. These are the free, and honestly, the free themes are pretty dope. You can customize them if you get really creative. So let's create this website. And then they have 2 different styles for each website, well, for each theme. But I think I like this one. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. So then you're gonna click add, and then what it's gonna do is install the app for you, the theme, so that you don't have to do coding, because nobody does coding. Hold on. Okay. It's gonna take a little bit of time to download. Just add it. Cool. So then we're gonna go over here, customize. Boom. All right. So this is where all of the good stuff comes in. So assuming that you already got graphics, you got product photos, you got your logo, you got your wording, you got your bio, you got everything that you need. We're gonna go here and we're gonna design. So first we're gonna start with header. That'll be this area here. Let's go and get some stuff real quick. We're gonna do let's see, hustle business. All right, so boom. Take this. I'm just basically taking stuff right now since this is a sample website. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna say this is the logo. Upload the image, come here, boom. Open. Okay, so as you see, the logo will go here. And you can customize how big you want it to be. Small. No, I honestly probably like it about just a little bit larger right there. All right, so we haven't really created a menu, so I'm gonna come back to this. Show announcement. So you know you can put something up here, an announcement. Let's see, sale. 15% sale today only. And then you can also put a link. I honestly don't have anything yet, so I'm gonna come back to this. But if you want them to be able to click onto this, you would paste the link, or actually, let me just give you, just have it come back here. I usually have it direct to something that's on my website already, but if you say you wanted to direct to some other website, you would just put the link here. And then when you click on it, okay, we're in the editor, but you'll see later. So you can change the bar color, red. I like red, so we're gonna keep it at red. Text color, white looks good to me, but you can change it. Black, change it over here. It could be this pretty color here. Actually, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna keep it at that. All right, so basically that's all we're gonna do. Oh, you can also change the logo alignment. You can center it. I think I like that. Yeah, I think I like that. I'm gonna keep it in the center. So now we're gonna go back. Oh, hold on, there was one other thing. No, that's it. Next thing we're gonna do is come right here. So that's gonna be this part here, the image. Let's select. Okay, we are photography. So let's do this. I gotta excuse me for stealing people's photos right now. Just a friendly little borrow. But what we're gonna do is upload it. They actually have free images that you can use. I guess I could have done that. That's what I'm gonna do. No, I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna upload it. Next photo. There we go. And then what I don't want to happen is, okay. So I don't like these words over top. Some people do that. I don't. But if you do, we can just say sample text. Welcome to my store. Welcome to the hustle. I like that better. Okay. Button label. There actually is no button there. But I can create a button. It'll go here. It'll say you wanted to say shop. Let's see. Shop now. Which is not showing up. I think it's because I don't have it. Honestly, don't have anything yet. So we'll come back to that. So you can choose the alignment. Honestly, the photo isn't but so big, so that's all gonna be about the same. You can change the width, so fixed width, see it smaller, full width of the website. Honestly, I think I like the fixed. You can change the positioning of the photo. I don't like that. Let's see, extra large. I don't like that either. We'll go back to medium. Text size, medium. All right. And that's all for that. We're getting somewhere. I'm gonna show you how you can change the font here, and then you can change the actual color of the words. Next thing we got is, all right, you know what I'm gonna do? All right. Select something else. So we are a photography business. So say I sell this camera here. Oh, that's not a good photo. Let's see, camera. All right, so say we sell Canons. Say that's my highlight product that I have, and I want people to buy that one, maybe because it's on sale. It could be something new, it could be the best camera. I'm gonna put it right here, so that's the first thing that they see. Select. So now you can choose the alignment. You would actually like it on the left. So right here you go left or right. And again, depending on the theme, all of this won't necessarily be the same, but for the most part, it will be. The layout will be different, but it's pretty straightforward. Everything will be, it'll say text alignment, heading text, things like that. Okay, so the heading, check out our newest arrival. Okay. All right, so again, for the button label, let's see, shop now. I honestly think that the button label isn't showing up because it's white and it's blending in with the background, but I'm gonna keep it there for now. And so basically, if you wanted it to link back to this camera to buy it, you would go here to products, but it's not there. So again, we're gonna come back to that. Shop now. And we got the text columns. Honestly, say you don't want this, you can take that out by removing a section. And I don't want that. I just want to highlight this one camera, and then I want to come down to my feature collection. Yeah, all of this is pretty busy and I don't need that. But if you wanted it, right here, you can add other products that you want to highlight, and then you can come to the feature collection, or this can be the whole collection. Let's see. We're gonna remove that. Okay. Feature collect. You know what? Let's put some products in here first. Cancel. We do want to save it first. Make sure you save it. Luckily, there's a prompt that'll show up, and it's gonna ask you, "Hey, you sure you want to get out of this?" Because we didn't save anything. So to go back to Shopify, you come up to this little S right here. All right. Cool. So you got home, you got orders. Let's go to home. Home doesn't really have much right now since this is a new store, but it will show you analytics here. It'll show you people that's looking at your website. It'll have little tips, stuff like that. But you will see down the line once we get everything together. All of your orders will go right here. So when somebody buys something, it'll have a whole list of orders and you'll click on it, get ready for shipping. I could probably do a little draft order. Products, that's what we want to do. So you come over here to products, you add a product. All right. So what do we have? Canon EOS 5D. Let's see, product details. Take all of this, copy, paste. And right here, we're gonna add the photo for the camera. Product type, we're gonna say camera. Add vendor. I never really put anything there, but we can just say it. My shop. I don't think that shows up on the website at all, so people can't see it. It's probably for you, just for your records to see, so you can know where you source this from. Collections. I didn't create a collection yet, but maybe homepage for now. Tag, camera, photo, 5D. Tags are like hashtags, 5D. So if anybody comes onto the website and they want to search cameras, so say they're looking for the 5D, they can type in 5D, this camera show up. Or Canon EOS. Price, I don't know, $2,000. Compare at price. This is basically, so say if you want to do a markdown, say it's $2,100 cost per item. So this will be what did I pay to get it first from the vendor. So say I charge, let me see, I paid $1,000 to get it. It's going to show you what your profit margin is, so you don't even have to think about it. So I paid $1,000 to get this camera, and I'm selling it for $2,000. So that means I make $1,000 profit. Straightforward. I usually do a 50% profit, just because it's, I mean, the math is really simple and it's a pretty good return. All right. Charge taxes on this product? I would, because at the end of the year, you don't have to pay for taxes. So you might as well just have people pay their state taxes. Choose inventory, SKU number 01222. Create a barcode 901. We wanted to track the quantity. Continue selling when out of stock. No. That's up to you. Say I got 3 in stock. It's a physical product because I'm gonna be shipping it. The weight is probably like 3 pounds. Shipping it from the United States. That, I honestly don't put anything there. This product has multiple options. Nope. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. This is gonna be your description when people go and find you on Google. So basically, let's see. I type in Canon EOS. You see how you see this description right here? I'm gonna copy that. That's basically what this is. That's what they're gonna see. Let's see. So this is the search engine preview. So say Canon EOS camera, save instantly up to 35%, blah, blah, blah. So that's what they will see on Google. That's what search engine optimization is. Always want to make sure that you do that so that when people search you, you show up on Google. So you're gonna save that. Congratulations on your first product. Cool. I think that's it. Cool. We're gonna create maybe 2 more products. Let's see. Camera lighting. Oh, that wrong. Pop up. I'm gonna show you how to do that too, so you can get people's emails. All right, so we got the next picture. Now we sell lighting. It's a soft box. I can't spell it. Come on, guys. Soft box. Photography. All right. We're gonna take the description. I forgot I can't take anything off this website. Okay. Here's a lighting kit. Good for photography and video. All right. Again, we're gonna come over here. This will be lighting. Definitely want to organize all of your products. Homepage, and again, lighting, camera. What else will somebody likes? We're gonna say this is $500 on sale for $500, but it's usually $800. Cost per item, I spent $200 for it. 60% margin, $300 profit. Charge tax, yes. Create a SKU for inventory. Track quantity, yes. Continue selling when out of stock, no. 2 in stock. Physical product. You definitely want to know the weights and stuff, because when it's time for shipping, it's gonna calculate that weight and shipping rates depending on the weight. So let's see, I'm gonna say 3 pounds. Let's see, United States. Blank. This product has multiple options. And then again, we're gonna do SEO. Don't want to just say that. Lightning kit alert. Shop now. And that's what it's going to say in Google. Again, we're going to save it. Then we're going to do one more. Boom. Look at that. We got 2 products. One more with something else. Camera lens. Camera lens. Image. I like this. Photo. Now again, you're going to have your own product photos, and they're going to look just as clean as these. Let's see, that camera lens is called, I can take this one, I'm sure. Yep. Title of the product here. Okay. Key features. Now you can put extra photos too. So say, let's see how they got this from a different. I think you can put as many photos as you want, honestly. I usually just do one. But if it's something where you need to see like front, back, like if it's a shirt that has a front or the back, then you definitely want to take pictures of both. All right. Again, so we're going to say camera, lens, my shop, collections, homepage, lens, camera lens. I know somebody will say zoom, lens. And then Canon EF. Price for this, $1,000. Okay, so say I don't want it to be a markdown price. Okay, so I'll just keep it at $1,000. If I don't want it to be a markdown price, I will not put anything here and just say that $1,000 is what I want it to be. I spent $500 from the vendor. My profit again, $500, 50% margin. Taxes, yes. Create a SKU. Now for you, you're gonna probably want to put some numbers there that make sense just for your own like records. So okay, let me just do this right. So say today is June 18th. So 06 202001. Boom. And then so as you start putting different products, you can put the same thing 06 17 2020 02 03 04 05 whatever, just so you can kind of know instead of just having random numbers. Barcode, I never really put barcodes there, but you can do the same thing if you want. Barcodes, and then you just put different numbers. Track quantity, yes, don't want to sell. But you can, say if you want to continue selling when you're out of stock, so you can have people buy and then you can kind of use that money to go buy more product and then you can just ship it to them. That's a little risky though, because you don't know how long it's going to take for you to get that product in. And then now you may have people waiting for their orders for weeks. But, just use your judgment. Got 3 in stock. Physical product, say it's about 2 pounds. But again, like I said about that, weighing the products, you might want to get a scale because that's something serious. The post office will send you back. All right, SEO. Here's a lens for your Canon. Shop now and get 40% off. Sale. And that's what it's going to say in Google. I think we are done with this. Yeah. Save. Okay, look at us. We got 3 products now. Come over here to inventory. Okay, it's only showing us 2 things. What's up? We just added 3 things. Okay, still. There we go. So now this is our inventory. So on this list is letting us know every product that we have. It's letting us know the SKUs. And like I said, with the SKUs, how I was saying, just for record keeping, you might want to start this like this. So this would be 01, this would be 02, this would be 03, and then so forth. And then this lets you know how many you have in stock. And you can edit the quantity right here. Okay, we're not going to create any of this stuff yet. Collections, okay. We're going to create a collection. All right, so say under a collection, you got, so we sell cameras, we sell lighting, we sell whatever else that has to do, maybe camera bags. So that's going to be a collection, camera bags. And then so in that collection, we're going to have all the camera bags. Honestly, I shouldn't put that because I didn't put a product as a camera bag. Camera lens. These are all my lenses. Hold on. Image. Okay. What I'm going to do to make it look cool is camera. So I want to find an image that has multiple camera lenses, like this. We're going to take that photo. Because it says camera lenses, there's a whole collection. So it's going to be, assume that I have 5 lenses on my camera, on my website. All right. Collection type, boom, there we go. That photo is terrible. Exist in the future. Okay, we're going to come back to this. Okay, SEO again. Come shop with us. We have many camera lenses to lenses for your new. All right, so now we got collection. So now that we have a collection, it says there's an enter some text for product tag. What am I missing? Oh, there we go. The lens was what? Canon EOS. Okay. Save. Oh, what I did just now was selected one of those tags. When I went to the products, let's go back. Remember when I was creating products, I put in tags that was sort of like hashtags, just like this. So camera lens, Canon EF, Canon. Okay, so now, actually, now that we have a new collection, we can actually add that camera lens. Okay. The collection did not show up. Let's see why not. I got it. Product contains lens. That's why. So the product title contains lens right now. So now let's go to products. There we go. So now if we want this to be in the collection, we're gonna want that on the home page too, because you're gonna want everything on the home page. But now we actually have it in the camera lens collection. So every time that they type in camera lenses, then all of the camera lenses will show up there. So we're gonna get out of products, go to customer. We don't have customers yet. But as people start buying from you, then all of your customers will show up right here. Again, this is the analytics. So say today you had 300 visitors. It'll say 300 here. It actually shows you in live time too. You can see if somebody over in China was looking at your website right now, you can see that. But obviously right now we don't have any views, so you can't see any of that. But just imagine 300 visitors. Today you made $3,000. Returning customer rate, all of these things, the analytics that make sense as you start selling stuff. But you definitely want to pay attention to this dashboard every day. You can come over here and get a report too. That's what Shopify is really good at. It'll show you your customers' behavior. It'll show how much money you made from marketing. So that could be emails, that could be ads, anything that you do for marketing, sales, discount codes. Finances, it'll let you know month to date. You can also change it if you want to know for the day how much you made, for the year, for 2 weeks, whatever. Here for customers, it'll show you how many customers you had in the last 30 days. It shows you, depending on what the customer inputs, they input their name, their telephone number, and you can ask them for their email, things like that, so that you can have their contact information. And that's good for marketing. Absolutely. So, all right, got acquisition, customer reports, all of this stuff will make sense as you start getting some traffic to your site. And then a good thing about Shopify is that it lets you know what all of this means. Track and understand the movement of your products for more efficient inventory management. That's what inventory is. Behavior, improve your store by understanding how visitors move through your site. So, oh, this is what I was saying for the live view. This is really, really cool. So if somebody was on your website right now, say you got 200 people on your site, it'll say 200 here. Sessions, orders, say you got from the 200 people, boom, you got 50 orders. You made $2,000. Right now, it's showing me because I'm in California. But say somebody's over here or down here, Nicaragua, Honduras, Spain. So it'll put a little needle on this map to show you that somebody from Spain is looking at your website right now. So that's pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna go down to marketing. Shopify just launched their own email, so that's pretty cool. You wanted to create an email for people saying, hey, it's Father's Day coming up. We got a Father's Day sale. I don't think it's actually allowing me to do any of this. Yeah, because it's a trial, so I can't show you that. Oh no, it's showing up. Okay. And what's cool about their email system is that they create little templates. So say here it is, Father. It's Father's Day coming up. They already created an email about fathers. So we're just gonna select that. Create the email. Hey, have you bought your father a camera? Yeah. Put the little eyes. This is the email preview. So we say, if not, what you waiting for? So the email is going to send from my email. Once you get your domain, I would suggest that you pay for one of those emails that'll say like info at whatever the name of your store is. In this case, it'll be info at myhustlegame.com. So once you get subscribers, that'll make sense. We don't have any subscribers, but as people subscribe on your website, usually that's the people who bought from you, they're usually entered into your subscribers list. And then when you have that pop-up that I'm gonna show you, people put in their email, boom, they show up. So say you got 100 subscribers. You wanna click on that. All 100 of your subscribers, it's gonna send to those people. It's gonna come here. I think you should personalize your email. You shouldn't use what they. So No. Your, no. He's great. No. You can't put moms. They're a great father figure. So celebrate. Oh, let's celebrate. We got some great things in store. Okay, we can take that out. No, we've got, let's see, we got some new cameras on our site that we think he will. In case you're not talking about a guy, just gonna say that Father's Day is June 21st. Order soon and short. I'm gonna keep that. Visit online store. Okay, it already has a link to my store, which actually, let me show y'all this. So this is a link to the store. Put it up here. This is what it looks like so far. Look at that. Oh, nice. Okay, so we're gonna go back. So it's linking to the store. I don't like that color. Say I want this to be super big. Maybe not that big. I want the button to be red so people can be like, whoa, in my face. Text color, white. Cool. It's already aligned. But say I want it to the left. Okay. Background color. I don't like this black background. I like clean emails. So white, we can go with white. And I'm gonna change the background for this as well and go with white. Oops. Let me change the text color to black first. White. We're missing something. Bro, where did the words go? So let's celebrate. Let's see. There we go. Black. There we go. It looks better. All right. I'm overdoing it with that big button, so we're just going to take it down. It's about right there. And then we're going to censor it. Boom. Get something we know they'll love. So say I want to add something else. Say I want to actually put a product in here. I'll select this. I don't want it to be a gift card. So I'm going to take that out of the email. Now, if you want to add a new element to the email, you just come right here where that plus comes. Actually, I'm going to want it underneath this product. So in the email, I want to sell them that camera. So I'm going to come over here, add product, select the product. We have 3 products. So we're going to put the camera in there and add it. Simple as that. Boom. Now, I do not like it having all of this stuff in it. Okay, so we're going to take out the description because this is an email. So you want the email as clean as possible. And you see what I was talking about with the pricing. So I wanted it to look like, okay, it's on sale. It was originally $2,100. Now it's $2,000. That's why I did the compare at price when I created the product. So now, shop now. I want to change that button to red again because I like red. Pops out. Let's see, I think this is good. Down here, it gives them the option to unsubscribe in case you email them too much and you're getting on their nerves. So now we got the product. Oh, up here, we're going to say, get them this camera. Obviously, you're not going to want to word your stuff like that, but that's what I'm doing for now. Okay, so this is how the email will look. Boom. So once you see it on the phone, I'll show you a logo. Hey, they're a great father figure, so let's celebrate, blah, blah, blah. Click, visit our online store. It's going to take you to the store. Click on this. Boom, it's going to show you. This thing is not moving out my way. Okay. It's going to show you the website. Going to scroll down. You see the camera. Shop now. And it's going to take you directly to that camera so they can just add it to the cart and then buy it. So this right here is a draft. Obviously, we're not sending this to anybody. You would go up here. It's actually over here. You're going to save it. It's going to ask if you want to send it. If you want to schedule it for tomorrow, you can schedule the email to send out tomorrow, or you can send it right now. Boom, that's how you start an email campaign. All of the emails that you created is going to show up right here. It's actually going to show you how much. So say you made, just by sending that email, you had 4 sales. So actually sessions. So 5 people clicked on it, went onto the website from it. You got 4 sales. It's going to say that here. And then it's going to tell you how much money you made just from that email itself. So unfortunately, that email marketing for Shopify is free right now, but it's gonna start costing monthly. So you definitely gonna want to add that to your monthly bills. All right, so now we got apps. We're gonna come back to that. Campaigns. Again, all of the campaigns, the email that we just created is gonna show up on the campaign. You got automations. So right here it says send tailored messages to customers with tags. So say you got like a whole customer list and you put tags under some of the customers saying first time buyer or loves bags or something like that. So say you want to send an email to all of your customers who love bags and you want to send them an email saying, hey, we got this new bag. You're just going to select all the customers who love bags and then boom, you're going to send an email to them. So that's what the tags are good for. You definitely want to do that. All right. Discounts. So we're going to create a discount. This is for discount codes. When you see people say enter code buy now at checkout, you get 10% off. So that's what I'm actually going to do. Buy now. That's the discount code name. We're going to want a percentage off, but you can also do a fixed amount. So if you wanted them to have $5 off, they can get $5 off. If you want free shipping or if you want to buy one, get one like a BOGO, you can do that. But I'm going to say percentage, 10% off the entire order. But if you don't want it the entire order and you just want it for the collection, remember we created a collection. So say we want it for camera lenses. Or if you want it for a specific product, you can do that too. You can select specific, hit browse, all of your products are going to show up. So if I wanted 10% off of the camera, I select that. So now when they go into the cart, they're going to type in buy now and they're going to receive 10% off of this camera price. See, minimum requirements, none. Minimum purchase amount, but say something costs $5 on your site. And you don't want nobody to get 10% off of $5. It's kind of petty. So what you're going to do is say the minimum purchase amount will be $20. So they have to spend at least $20 to get that 10% discount. Or you can do the quantity of items. So if you don't want them to have 10% off of one product because they only bought one thing, say they have to buy 5 things in order to get 10% off. So you can do that too. I don't usually do that. I honestly just do minimum purchase amount, or I'll do none and just give it to the entire order, honestly. All right, customer eligibility, everybody. That's what I keep it on, everybody. But you can break them down in groups of customers and specific customers. So say you did something on Instagram and you say, hey, send me your email. The first 5 people that send me their email, they get 50% off discount. And so you get their email, you put it in here, specific customers, and you say that discount is going to only work for those specific customers that I say it worked for. So anybody else that comes and try to use that discount, it won't work for them. Usage limits, limit 1 per customer. That's what I usually do. But if you want them to keep getting a discount, then you don't have to select that. Limit number of times the discount can be used. So say I want, okay, you can use it multiple times, but only 5 times. So I only give them 5 times to use it. Activate dates, I usually just start right then. So save discount code. But if you wanted to start for Black Friday, you can just go ahead and create your discounts now. And then you can schedule it for Black Friday. So that's how we do that. Now, apps. This is the cool thing. So here, Shopify has a whole app store. Just like the iPhone has an app store. Everybody got app stores. So you kind of have understanding of what an app does. It's basically just an application that's going to be added onto your website that's going to allow your website to do different things. So what I did, I know we was talking about that email pop-up. That's going to be an app. Let's see. What's a good one? For now, we're going to do a free one since this is a free site. So here we go. Now we're going to do upsell. Okay. So most of these apps, they do charge. So you do want to be mindful of everything that you're adding onto your website because you're going to have to pay for it monthly. So you're already going to have to pay for Shopify. Usually it starts at $29.99. And then, so say this pop-up, it says $2.95 a month. So yeah, you're paying the $29.99 and you're paying the $2.95 a month just so you can have this pop-up. But luckily for them, or luckily for you, it's a 90-day free trial. So we're going to add that. We're going to install that app to the website. That's what it's doing now, install app. Advanced with priority plan. This app is free for 90 days starting out. Okay. Select checks. Okay. Agree. Okay. I guess I can't show. Okay, we got to find something that's completely free because it's asking for me to pay for it. Okay, let's try something else. Free plan available. Here we go. It shouldn't ask for anything now, but we're going to see. So again, here we go. Come over to the website. Hold on, what did it just ask for? Confirm. Okay, we're going to skip that. Boom. All right. Your first pop-up. Here we go. So remember how we went to that website, that photography website, and then it was a pop-up saying enter your email, you get 10% off. That's what we're about to create right now. So form fails. It's going to be an email. Save. Honestly, they already got settings. So what we're going to do is just, we're really not about to get technical with this because you might not even choose this app. But let's see, Autoresponder. have to sign up text messages. Oh, this is cool. So say you get people's phone number. And so after they sign up, put the email in there, boom, they put their telephone number. You know how you get those email marketing? It's going to send straight to their phone and it's going to say, hey, thanks for signing up. Here's an extra 10% off just being one of our customers or a new customer, blah, blah, blah. So you can send them a text message and an email. So this is pretty cool. I don't use this one for my site, but I might have to think about it. I'm going to name this email. Save. Publish. It will appear on your site and people will be able to sign up for it immediately. Cool. So here we go. Let's see. Boom. Look at that. Sign up for updates. Okay, so you can actually customize all this. I didn't customize it just for the sake of time, but that's for you. So sign up for updates. I could say, if you wanted to say, hey, you rock, or here's 10% for being on my website, enter your email for dope content, blah, blah, blah. Whatever you want to put here, you can change. I'm pretty sure you can change the font. I'm pretty sure that you can change what color that you want the words to be. But there you go. Then you type in the email, they type in the email, subscribe. Okay, cool. So now that they subscribe, we're going to take you back. So say somebody comes and they subscribe. Maybe I should just show you. I'm going to put my email in there. Hopefully it's going to pop back up. Come on, buddy. I closed it out, so it's probably like, okay, it ain't showing us. But we're going to come back to it. So we'll go back. What I was going to show you is if I were to put into my email, if I was to put in morgantheceo@gmail.com, boom, I sign up to your email list. I'm going to show up right here. Marketing, where did it go? Campaigns. Remember when we created your email? The email, and it was like subscribers, boom, one subscriber, morgantheceo@gmail. And then customer, I'm gonna be a customer too if I buy something. But for the most part, if I signed up for it and you gave me a banging deal of 50% off, then most likely I bought something. Then I'm gonna show up right here. So we're gonna go back to apps. So we got the email pop up. Well, I guess we should keep designing the site, huh? What you think? Because we got other products. So, all right, let's go back. So the design of the site, design the site. We come back here to online store. Remember, and then right here it's going to say customize. So we'll click customize. And we're going to keep designing. So we got London on the site. All right, so featured collection. Homepage, because it's multiple. Boom, look at that. I probably need one more because I like stuff to be even. Unless, hold on. Unless I could choose 3. Oh, I can choose 3 because that was going to blow me. So products, we're going to go to 3. Now it's going to censor it. There we go. Now, if you had, say you had 20 products, then you can choose how many rows, but right now you see it right here. We can't do 2 rows because we don't have 2 rows full of products. But you can do 4 rows. And then however many products you want, you can line it up to be, as you see. If it was 5 products, then this space right here will have 5. If you want it to be 1 product, boom, that's when we get the rows. So 2 rows, boom, 1, 2. But I like all 3. There we go. Show product vendors, nope. But remember I had put my shop, I'm not putting that. But if you were like a marketplace, so say you're like Amazon or eBay or something like that, and somebody else, like you're just there so that somebody else's business can upload, and you're basically, if it was a marketplace where, say I wanted to sell my stuff on Amazon's website, so it would say under here, it's coming from Morgan, the CEO, as opposed to Amazon. So it's coming from Morgan the CEO, but I'm on Amazon's marketplace. But since this is my website and I'm the one that's selling these products, I'm not going to put that. And then we got view all. Boom. So now, say I had other products and I only still just wanted to show these 3 I don't want to have because it's just a featured collection. So if it's featured, most likely you're not going to put all of your products there. You're just going to show them your best sellers. So, but you also want them to know we got more stuff. So you put view all there and then they can click it. I don't think you can click it right now. Can you? Okay. So yeah, I did. So I clicked view all and then boom, if I had multiple products here, say I had 10 more products, all 13 would show right here. I'm gonna save this. Oh, you see this at the top? That's dope. Hold on. Join our list. Oh, you can't see it. Okay. So now we're gonna go back to sections. All right, so we got the feature collection. So boom, we got all of this, all of this, all of this, all of this. We're getting somewhere. So let's see. Do I want to put something there? Maybe, because I want the website to look cool. So we're gonna maybe put a really dope photo. This is cool. So this is what we're gonna do. Just for the aesthetics of the website, we want it to look cool. So we're gonna put a picture. Just so that everything isn't just product, product, product. Just buy, buy, buy. This is what we offer. So we're gonna put this. Now, I would suggest you don't go and screenshot and steal people's photos. I think you should take your own photos because unless you're gonna give them credit, and you don't need to steal their photos. But for the sake of this, that's why I'm doing it, because I don't have photos. But we're not going live with this website, so that's cool. I don't want any words over top of this. I just want the image. So we're gonna take that off. And then section height, if you want it to be extra large and show more of the photo. I don't know if I like that, or do I? I do. I like it large. So that's what we're gonna do, full width or fixed width. Do I want it to match the photo up here with fixed width, or do I want it to, let's see. We're just gonna do fixed. That's my choice, but that's up to you. So say that I want people to be able to click on this image and it goes somewhere. Say I have a blog. Okay, that's what we can do. So say I have a blog, and in the blog we talk about Nikon cameras. So I would say I put in the text, check out our blog about cameras. Boom. And then I want them to click that and it goes straight to my blog. So over here, I'm going to put button link. Now, if I have blog posts already, we're going to select blog. They have something on here that's called news. I don't know what that blog is, but if I had a blog post, and I'll show you that, then you can link that button that showed up right here to the blog. So let's see what's in news that they did. You see how I did that? Boom. So now it says news, but say this is supposed to be about Nikon cameras. So now you say you get somebody to do blog writing for you, or if you do it yourself and you're like, okay, hey, we got cameras, Nikons. Let's talk about Nikons. I love Nikons. This is how you use an Nikon. Whatever the blog is about, that's what's going to show up right here. So we're going to save that and then go back. So far, this is our website. Okay, customer reviews, testimonials, that's cool. So say you got testimonials. Now you can't create those testimonials. Well, can you? Oh, you can. Okay. They got some apps where a customer goes up there and then they put their own testimonial, because this could be made up. But for the sake of this, we're just going to say, man, these cameras are dope. Fire, bro. I'm going to your shit right now. But, oh, excuse my language. I'm sorry. All right. So now we got, yo. Thank you so much for fast delivery. Okay, you could put author's name. You could say this person. And then the third one is your website is flawless. Your website is flawless. Peter. Cool. And if you need to add more testimonials, you do that. But we can keep it at 3 for me. I don't have testimonials on my site. That's pretty cool. But I'd rather people actually say it as opposed to me putting it up here. I mean, I guess if people, okay. So if I was really actually quoting somebody, maybe somebody sent me a DM saying, yo, thank you so much for fast delivery. There's a typo too. You definitely want to go over your website. Make sure you don't have typos. So thank you so much for your fast delivery. If somebody sent that in a DM, you can put it up here. You can put it up here because it's a real, you didn't make that up. So there we go. Testimonials and then gallery. If you want photos here, put photos here. So say, we're just gonna do one real quick, just because. But you know, if you got like a t-shirt company, you wanna put a t-shirt there that's not up for sale yet, and you just wanna say, hey, look what's coming. You can put that image here. We'll put that here. And boom, you can put photos here. But say I only want one photo. We can take the other 2 out. You come here, remove content. And then this one too, remove content. Or you can add images and say you want 4. Okay, that looks terrible. Let's go back, align it. Let me see. Oh, that's worse. Top, boom. Now you can see you're not gonna see that whole picture just because of the size and dimensions of the website. What you're gonna want to do is make sure you're using the right kind of photo that's gonna fit what's required to put right here, or it's going to cut you off just like that. But you can actually go here to the section height and then say, you make it small. Yeah, it's still going to cut it off. Okay, if you do extra large, then majority of the photo, for the most part, I think that is the whole photo. So you can do extra large, but I don't know if you want that extra large photo right there. But if you do, you know, that's up to you. So then down here, we're almost done. Down here, email address. So people can subscribe at the bottom of your page too. Say they X'd out that email pop-up initially because they were like, I don't want to sign up. And then after they look at your website, they're like, actually, I do want to sign up. Down here, they can sign up there too. These, I don't like having these at the end of my website. So, but you can have that letting people know that you accept all of these payments. But I'm taking it off. So we're going to go back. It's in the footer. So you see how it says quick links? No, it's not quick links. We got newsletter. Oh, here it is. Show payment icons. Boom. Gone. What's quick links though? Oh, quick links would be search. So remember how I was saying search? So if somebody clicked that and was like, I want to search Canon cameras. Since we put the tags, then it knows, okay, if somebody types in Canon, then we're gonna go to whatever products got Canon in it. But you can probably add more, yeah. Let's see what else you can add. We haven't created anything, but if I had a blog, I can add blog down here. Maybe I should just create some more stuff because y'all might not get that. Save. We are almost done. So we're gonna go back to Shopify. I'm gonna go up to this S right here. Okay, cool. So blog. For the most part, we created the website, right? Catalog is gonna have all your products. So really, the more products that you import, it's just gonna start showing on this page. It's gonna show up automatically. You don't really have to design this at all. So we got home and we got catalog. But say you want up here, you wanted to say blog too. So first we're gonna create a blog post under sales channels, online store, blog, create blog. My new camera. I love it. My new camera, I love it. And then it's gonna say, man, let me tell you, I bought a camera the other day. It's super lit. I took dope photos. I'd like to show you. Look. Okay, so now say I took some nice ass photos. Let's see, this one. So this was the photo I took of a girl taking a photo. And I want to show people what I did with my Canon camera. So I'm gonna put that here. This is how you insert an image. I'm gonna have to upload it real quick. And then it's going to, here we go. Select, insert image. Boom. That's my blog post. Now, you can add an excerpt. So say on this page it says, look at the photos I took. And then again, for the search engine, if somebody typed in camera blog, for the most part, you might want it to say camera blog in here just for the sake of like tags. So I'm gonna say, this is my new camera blog. Look at the photos I took with my Canon camera. So now if people type in Canon, they type in camera blog. Now, I can tell you now, a lot of people have used Canon, camera, all of that stuff. So you probably not going to be the first person that's going to show up on a Google search. But the more and more that you do this and people search, then Google will start to register you. And then, you know, the more and more people that come onto your website through that, then you'll start ranking up higher and higher and get on the first page of Google searches. So, all right, that's what we're going to do. That's how it's going to look in Google. And then right here, you're going to put a featured image. So for the featured image, I'm going to just put the same image. So this is the photo that I took. Save. Oop, I got it hidden. We got to go back. So visible, we'll make it visible. Save. And then so now we got our first blog post. So we're going to go back. We also need to go to menus. Navigation. So now we had the menu, you know, remember, let's just go to it. So right here we got home and then we got catalog. But I wanted to say blog up here too. So I'm gonna go back and go to main menu. And I wanna add a menu, say blog. And then I'm gonna have it link to most likely not that specific blog post. I'm gonna have it linked to my whole blog. Oops. that's for another page. So say I want to add, oh, actually, let me go back. Refresh. See, now it says blog. You can click on it. Boom. All of my blog posts are going to show up right here. And you can click on it. My new camera, I love it. This is my blog post. So now say I want to add a page that says shipping. We're going to go here. We're going to click add page. And I'm going to say info. Right here, I'm going to say we ship in 3 days. Email us if you have questions. Save. For the most part, you don't have to do any of this other stuff. So save. Boom. And then so say I want shipping to go up here too. So it says, let's go back to home. Home, catalog, blog, and then I want to just say shipping up here. So we're going to go back. We're going to go back to navigation, go to the main menu, and then we're going to add that too. So shipping. You're going to come here. It's going to link to a page you just created, which says shipping info. Going to add that, save that. Come back to the website, refresh it, shipping. Boom. We ship in 3 days. Me personally, I wouldn't have that up there. So I'm going to take that from up here. Shipping can go at the bottom. So let me show you. Remember how, let me go back to the front. Remember how we were down here at the footer and it said quick links? I'm going to put my shipping right there. So in order to do that, I'll come back here. We're going to go to online store, customize, and then come back down here to footer, quick links, and add content. Oh, it's 2 quick links. Okay, let's get rid of one. Edit menu. Okay, I have to add that. Here we're going to add shipping. Come back here to pages, shipping info, save. Save menu. So now we're going to go back, refresh the page, and I bet you it's going to say shipping at the bottom. Boom, there it is. So now you can click it at the bottom and it's going to have all of your shipping info. It still says it up here in the menu, so we can go back. So again, just to recap what I just did, I went to the footer, I came down here to quick links, and then I added the shipping to the footer menu. Basically what you do is you click this edit menu, and then you add what you want. So if down at the bottom you want to add, let's see what they got. Go to the link, you want that blog post, that one blog post we just did to be at the bottom. You're gonna say, look at my blog post, save. Go back to the website, refresh the page. Down at the bottom, look at my blog post. You can click on that and then it's gonna go directly to the blog post we created. Cool. I think we almost done. Let's see, what else do we have? Real quick, I do want to take this out of my menu because I don't like shipping being at the top. So we're gonna go back to navigation, main menu. The navigation is basically this bar that's right at the top, right underneath your logo. So whatever you wanted to say right here. So you got home, you got the catalog, you got blog, and then say whatever else you want to be right here. On my website, I have books. So I want people to click that and go straight to all of the books that we sell. So whatever you want to put there, it has to be here in the navigation. We put the shipping there. I don't like shipping there. So what we're going to do is delete. So all you have to do is hit that trash can. It's going to ask if you want to remove. You save every time. Because if you don't save, then it's not going to save on your actual website. So we can come to the website, refresh the page, boom, it's off. Go back home, we hit home. You can also hit the logo and it takes you home too, I think. So let's go to catalog, logo, yep. That's our website. Yeah. Let's see. Is there anything else we can create on here? I think for the most part, this is good. So now we're gonna go back to this. We got domains. Now, once you buy your domain, because you're not gonna want it to say myhustlegame.shopify.com. So you go on GoDaddy or go on Bluehost, whatever you get your domains from, you buy the domain, and what you're gonna do, oh, actually it says you can buy a domain here. So that's dope, you can buy it through Shopify. Let's go to it, see what happens. So if we hit domain and we wanna see if My Hustle store exists, it looks like it does, My Hustle store. Interesting. All right, so it exists. So you want to buy it, you can just buy it right here, honestly. And then now I'm pretty sure if you buy it through Shopify, you don't have to do any type of transferring. But say you bought it through GoDaddy. So you're going to have to transfer. Well, no, you're going to have to connect your existing domain. So you come here and say, I already own morgantheceo.com. I type that in because I own it already. Then it's going to ask, see, it knows that I got it through GoDaddy. So it's going to connect automatically. That's what you want to do. Don't do manually because then you need to know technical stuff. You connect automatically, most likely through signing in. So let's see. I'm pretty sure it's going to ask me to sign in. Yeah. Sign into my GoDaddy. Boom. Shopify is going to do its thing. But I'm not going to do that. So we're just going to take that. So that's how we do that. And so now it's not going to say myhustlegame.shopify.com. What it's going to say is myhustlestore.com or My Hustle Game. That's what it's called. myhustlegame.com. So now we got preferences. Social sharing image. So if somebody shared your blog post or somebody shared, where'd it go? Did it just connect my stuff? Okay, no, let's remove this. Remove. Okay. So we go to preferences. You definitely want to put your social sharing image. So for me, I usually put my logo, so that's what's here and it's already there, so that's cool. Homepage title. So if somebody shares a post or shares your website, it's gonna have automatically some words to it. But it won't if you do not do this part. So say it says, check out My Hustle Game store. We sell cameras. So every time somebody shares your page, this is what it's gonna say. Check out My Hustle Game store. We sell cameras. Then it's gonna show this logo. So if it's shared on Twitter, this is how it's gonna look. Or Facebook or anything that has text. You share it on it. You can't share it on Instagram unless you take a screenshot of it. Google Analytics. If you have Google Analytics accounts, then you can paste your account information here and then Google is gonna sync up with your website and you can get analytics from the search engine. Like I was doing a search engine, that was like the most basic search engine optimization. But if you do Google Analytics, and that's a whole other thing, that's in the marketing course. But if you do that, you select the code here and then Google is gonna start giving you analytics for your website based on Google searches and YouTube. You put your Facebook pixel here, that's for Facebook ads, that's a whole other thing again for marketing. So I guess I'll just do another class for that because we're not about to do all that. But Facebook Pixel will go right here. Your Google Analytics account will go here. And then basically it's going to do the same thing that the Google is going to do. It'll do it for Facebook. So it'll give you analytics. It'll let you know what your customers are looking for on your website, how many times they came back to buy, stuff like that. And then you got password protection. Right now, since we got the free account, it's password protected. But say you wanted to lock your store for like a month while you get everything together, and you just want to collect emails, you put a password here and say, sold out. That's going to be the password. And then we can put the message here too. Sold out unless you have the password. Save. Now watch this. When we go to the website, actually we're logged in, so we're going to need to log out. Boom. Here we go. My hustle game coming soon. Sold out unless you have the password. So say I come down here, I got the password. It's actually not asking me for the password. Hold on. Let's go back. Oh, enable password. To disable your password. Okay. I don't think we can do it. We got to pick a plan. But anyway, you get it. So this is going to be your landing page. So people can come on here. They can add their email. Let me show you. Morgan, let's see. Add. Notify me. Now we got our first email sign up. Now remember what I was saying about your email list and your customers. Now we got somebody. I just signed up for the email list, and so it shows morgantheceo@gmail.com. Just subscribe to your email list. You come here, it says email subscribers. Am I a new customer? For the most part, even though I didn't buy anything. Am I returning? No. So it's not anything here. Had I come back, let's see if I go back again. It'll probably show up. Let's see. Let's refresh the page. Does it say I'm a returning customer? Okay. So if I was a returning customer, if I bought twice or any times more than one, whatever, then I would show up as a returning customer. But I'm not, because I didn't buy anything. But I am an email subscriber, so that's going to show up here. So you definitely want to pay attention to this, because when you go into the marketing, like the email that we just created, let's go to it real quick. Campaigns. Here we go. And edit activity. Now I can show you, since we got subscribers. Boom. All subscribers, 1. Now we got 1 subscriber. So that email right there is going to send to me. Actually, I'm going to just go ahead and send it and show you. You can send the test. Okay. I'll send to Morgan CEO. Let's see. We're just going to wait around for the email. So now we're just going to go back. I think, yep, just came through. Just came through. I'm going to show you. So remember that email we just created? There it is. Simple as that. You click right here, it's going to go to the website. Oh, is that? Oh yeah, visit online store. Boom. Now again, our website isn't live, remember? They go to pop-up that we just created, sign up for updates. If the website was live, then it would go straight to the website. But for now, this is the landing page. So that shows you that the website, that the email was effective. There we go. There's the camera. That's the product. Select that. Open. Again, if the website was live, it will go directly to that product. Oh, here it is. Enter password. So remember, we created a password. The password was, what was the password? Oh, I got you. Buy now. We create the password. I don't remember the password, guys. Sold out, that's what it is. So we put in, say I'm one of those customers that you want to get a password to. Sold out. I enter it, boom. It takes me right to the website. So if you want, you can have a password protected website and then just have it invite only. Look at that. So this is the website that we created. This is how it looks on the phone. Desktop view, phone view, totally different. But when you are, let me take you back. When you go over here to customize and you design in a website, you can look at it in the phone view so you can know how it's gonna look on people's phones. So this was the desktop. We saw how that looked, but you come up here, this is showing you the phone. So on the phone, you're gonna see this here, join our list. You click that, sign up for updates, X out. That 15% sale right here is gonna be the menu. So instead of at the top on the desktop, how it said home, catalog, blog, it's not gonna show right here. These 3 lines is gonna show it. So you can click that, it says home, catalog, blog. Click that X. This right here is gonna be your shopping cart, and this is the search. So again, like I was saying, search, if somebody wanted to say Canon, look what show up, Canon products, because I put those tags in for Canon. That's why you definitely want to put tags. Tags are like hashtags. So let's see. Let's close this out. Now we're gonna scroll. This is that product that we put. I don't think we put a buy now. Feature collection. So say I want to buy this lens, I'm gonna click on it. Boom, now it takes me to the product page. Everything that we put on there shows up here. This is the title, this is how much. You can add it to cart. That's what I'm gonna do, look at that. But I wanna continue shopping, so I'm gonna click that. Let's move this. And return, okay. This is nice. You may also like, if you got a lens, you probably gonna want the camera. So you select that, and it says sell because we did that, compare that price again. Like I was telling you, I put 2100 and said, compare it to, well, 2100 is a compare price. I wanna sell it for 2000. So now it's just gonna automatically say sell. I'm gonna add that to the cart too. I don't wanna continue shopping. So what I'm gonna do is say buy it now. This right here is gonna be the cart. Look at that. Now, one last thing I do wanna show you is that you can customize how this page looks. So we're gonna go back, even though for the most part, this is what you're gonna want it to say, but if you wanna change the color of the text or change the font, then you can do that. Or change this button right here and you want it to be red, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go back. You can actually select page here, and that's going to be, let's just go to home page. Okay. Actually, what I want to do, okay, let's go to whatever page that you want to start to customize. You go to it on here, so we see this. So now we come over here, go to theme settings. Say we want to change the color. Everything is for the most part gray and black, but say I want my text to be red. Boom, I like that, red. And then body text would be this stuff right here. Say I want that to be red, which I won't. But if I wanted it red, then I can make it red. But I want to keep that black so it can differentiate. So your cart, product, price, all of that stuff is in red. And then I like the product description to be in black. But you can choose any color. Sale price. Say for sale, I like it to be red. But say you want it to be pink. You can select pink. Okay, so now we're going to go out to the checkout page. And again, like I was saying, so say if I don't want this to be gray, I want it to be red, which I don't think that's a good suggestion because it's not good on the eyes. But let's do it anyway. It's headings and links. Let's see, what would that be? Okay, it's doing its thing. Oh, got you. So say we changing the button. Primary buttons. It's taking a little bit of time. Come on, buddy. It's not changing any of it. Okay, it's turning, it's making me out to be a liar. Let's save it. Okay. All right, one last thing. I want to change the typography. Boom, there it is. Everything's in red now. I don't like that, but you might. Red is a little bit kind of, red is good if you want it to pop out, like if it says sale or if it says buy now, but having your whole, the text on your website just completely red might work for you, but some people's eyes might not like that. If they have a lot of stuff they got to read and it's in red. But you can come here, you can change the font. It's a whole bunch of fonts here, so that's up to you to go through them all. I'm gonna just select one, select it, and then you're gonna see it change. Boom, you saw that? I don't like this font, but we're just gonna stick with it. You can change the size of the font. See, 32 is probably kind of large. And then see, 20 might be a little small. No, it's fine. So we're gonna keep it at 20. We're gonna save that. So yeah, for the most part, we're gonna wrap it up, but for every page that you wanna change the typography or change the colors, you come right here. You can change it for the home page, the passwords page, the product page, basically all pages. If you want your blog post to be in all pink words, then you can do that too. You just go to it, it's gonna show up right here. You see that? Then you can come over here to colors. And then here you go. Just get creative. So you can basically customize everything. Let's see if we're missing anything. Sections, footer, we got all of that. So again, this is how it's gonna look on your phone, and then this is how it's gonna look on your desktop. Me personally, I like to customize it looking at the desktop because it shows a lot more of the details that you can actually, like right here, how it has the newsletter. If you go here to, that's there, but it doesn't look like that. That's how it's gonna look on your phone. But if you say, if you only design it for how the phone is, and then you have no idea how it looks on the desktop, but somebody accesses it from work on their desktop and your website looks trash, then that's because you didn't design your desktop. So I would say design the desktop view, and then the phone view is just gonna lay out on its own. It's gonna look good no matter what. So you definitely wanna make sure your desktop looks good. So design it in this one right here. All right. So we can go back to Shopify. And I do believe that is it. So say you're ready to go ahead and you wanna select a plan because it's time to launch. Say in 14 days, you tell everybody, okay, I'm launching my new store next week. You come here, select a plan. These are the plans right here. $29 a month, shows you everything. Of course, you are gonna have to pay fees to Shopify. These are the fees. You get 2 staff accounts, so if you got somebody else working with you, they can log in under their own account. You got shipping discount, nice. 4 locations, so say you ship from New York, you ship from Florida, you ship from Maine, and you ship from Spain. So you can choose the locations, and so when you're doing shipping, then you're gonna choose where you're shipping from, and that'll impact the shipping rates. So Shopify for retail, POS markets, boom, all of that's included for $29 a month. This is the most popular one, $79, and then $299. So that's really just kind of on your interest. If you got more staff, then you're gonna have to get this one, 5 accounts or 15 accounts when you're a larger plan. Let's see, you can remove your store if you want. That's how you do that. Delete everything. All right. And then down here is settings. This has all your information. This is going to be the information that you sign up with, all of your store details, your locations, like I was talking about for shipping, You got billing information. That's going to be your billing account, so they know where they're going to charge every month, that $29.99. So billing, you got gift cards. If you create a gift card, files, all of your videos, images, and stuff is going to show up right here. It's all self-explanatory because they have a description here, so you don't need me to go through everything. Taxes, let's teach you about managing your store taxes and stuff like that when you charge it. Remember, I told you to click that so that people actually pay taxes, so that you're receiving the state taxes from them, so you can pay taxes at the end of the year so that you're not stuck paying it out of your own pocket. Let's see, general, locations, sales channels, all of that. Go in, familiarize yourself with that. That's going to be all of your own personal information. So I don't need to select it because this isn't a real store, so it's not going to have all the information. So we can go back to home. Great work. It says, dismiss these tips when you're ready. Our website is up. Again, this page right here is just going to have all kinds of suggested reading from Shopify. It's their blog. It teaches you how to be successful on this site and what all of the app features and stuff are. So I would suggest that you go through and you read this stuff too. And that's it. We just created myhustlegame.com. We sell cameras. Let's go look at it real quick. Boom, look at that. That's a nice website right there. That is a nice website. All right, so thank you so much. I just showed you how you create your Shopify store from start to finish. Hold on, we got a few more, hold on. All right, and there it is. Stop video.